We went to my niece's house, we got Poppy, we used our friend's truck. We were both really afraid that the roof was gonna fall in, but it didn't. So we went over to my niece's and we were able to get Poppy, and we're gonna limp the poor thing home. The lights don't work. We had to tie down strap the left side because we didn't want the back to pop off because the rivet gun didn't work out. So we're just gonna very slowly get Poppy home and then take care of him from there.
Sounds about right.
Well, as you can see, we got Poppy home. Now the time is coming to get her fixed. We got the top, all latched up. That went down really good. Got a lot of the crap blown off of the top. And we got the back buttoned up, at least good enough to get it here. So now the fun begins. Well, I got the first section of the canvas off. I'm just going to try to get the rest of it off. Looks like we have a slight problem with ants. There you have it. This up here should just pull out. I think the ant problem might be a little worse than I thought it was. Next, we got to get this thing off. Maybe some kind of a putty knife or something would get it off.
Yeah, I think a putty knife will work good because this screwdriver's scraping it off. I mean, whoever put this on here, this was not the...
It's that expanding foam garbage.
Yeah. Hey, let go. Get off my screwdriver.
Oh yeah, go get me the spray quick. Not quite 100% sure how to get this thing off of here. But this styrofoam crap has got to come off. That's for sure. The only fear is that it's gonna fall in on it. I might have to raise this thing up and take a look at it from the inside and see what I gotta do, because this roof isn't very stable right now. Okay, so there's bolt there, bolt over there, bolt here, and another bolt there that need to come out. Should drop that little plate down, and the air conditioner should slide right out. That makes a little bit short work out of it.
Yeah, it does.
I sacrificed a 1x for my cabinets, but it was worth it to get that thing off. And now comes the cleanup process and trying to get this roof back together. So man, you may try all you want, but you'll never get it as clean as Mama.
Never.
Come on.
That's right.
This is what we're looking at now. I don't think there is a piece of wood in this top that isn't rotten. So we got to redo the whole thing.
So we've had an exciting week. I guess it was Tuesday night, we went to my niece's and we picked up Poppy, borrowing a friend's truck.
Did you try to smack me?
Yeah, but if I'd have tried, that's what it would have looked like. We went to my niece's house, we got Poppy, we used our friend's truck, and so we got it over here. Sorry, there's distractions out there. So we pulled it over here and we put it in the garage, and Wednesday morning, G-Pop's here, went out and he opened it all up, and the pop-up has been sitting outside for so long, the bugs didn't like that it had a new residence, so they all started crawling out. So he went quick to work, got all the canvas off, took the bedding off.
Got all that taken out to the trash.
And they've already picked it up, thank God, so it wasn't like festering in the front yard. Then he sprayed it. So he killed all the bugs.
With lots of spray.
Lots of spray. Yesterday he rescued me from an attacked wasp nest. He is my hero. The wasp nest was not in the pop-up and has absolutely nothing to do with this. I'm just looking for sympathy because it hurt really bad. It was on my face.
Well, they don't give you no sympathy.
A lot of people did.
Oh, by the way, for all y'all that don't know, today is someone's birthday.
The big 5-3.
No, it's not 8. Of course, sometimes she acts that way.
Well, yeah. Today,
Not as much as I do.
well, that's true. Today we got out here and I bravely went into the pop-up and unbolted all the bolts that hold the air conditioner in. We were both really afraid that the roof was going to fall in, but it didn't. So I bravely handled that. Only broke one bolt, which I was surprised, as rusty and nasty as they were. And we got it off.
Yeah, those stupid things are like 40 feet long.
Yeah, yeah. You should see me wrestling them.
The drill made quick work of that. Though.
Yes, it did. Thank God we got the drill. I think that was what we did this week.
Yeah.
And tonight we're gonna have cake.
Yeah, birthday cake.
And then birthday cake.
We're not gonna put candles on it though.
No.
We don't want a forest fire.
It burned down the house. The air you hear is probably the fan that I wish was blowing a whole lot harder at this point.
Yeah, it's like a billion degrees outside. I don't know if you can see the sweat.
With a trillion humidity to go with the billion degrees.
Yeah, so it feels like a gazillion.
Anyway, I feel like we're rambling at this point.
Like, I think the car's melting.
Maybe.
Maybe they look anyway.
They got the dog.
All right, well, that's it. That's what we did this week. So until next time, happy trails.
That was not fun.